How to use Uber app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Uber app step by step. If you are a beginner and wondering how you can use the Uber app, this is the perfect video for you. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store or App Store. Now search for the Uber app. This is the application you want to download and install on your device. For that, tap on the install button. After it has been installed, go ahead and tap on the open option. Now make sure to sign into your account. If you have not created your account, you can sign up using your phone number, email address, your Facebook or Google account. Now, once you have created your account, you want to enter your payment information. For that, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the wallet option. You have the Uber Cash option over here, which you can use to pay for Uber rides. You can add payment methods by tapping on Add Payment Method option. Now select your preferred option over here, enter all of the details and set your payment method. Now to request a ride, you want to tap on Enter Pickup Point option. Now you want to enter your pickup point. Then tap on the Where to option, and from here you want to select your destination. If you want to add any stops, you can tap on this plus icon and then tap on the Add Stop option to add your stops. After this, you can enter your destination as well. Then you will get the option to choose your ride. Uber offers several ride options depending on your location, such as UberX, which is the standard ride for 1 to 4 passengers. There is also Uber XL, which is larger vehicle for groups. There is also the comfort option, which is a more spacious and comfortable ride. There is also the Uber Pet option, which you can use while riding with your pet. You have the Lux option, which offers luxury cars with top-rated drivers. You also have the Green option, which provides you sustainable trips in an electric vehicle. Now, all you want to do is explore these options and select the one which is best for you. Once you have chosen your ride type, you can review the fare estimate and see your pickup location. If everything looks good, tap on the Choose option. Now, you will be matched with a nearby driver and their details will appear. You want to wait for your driver. The app will show you an ETA, which is the estimated time of arrival for when the driver will arrive. You can track the driver's route on the map in real time. If the driver is close, you will receive a notification when they arrive. Now, Uber automatically charges your linked payment method once the ride is complete. No cash is needed. You will receive a receipt with the details of your ride via email. After the trip, you'll be prompted to rate a driver from the scale of 1 to 5 stars. You can also leave a tip if you would like. And that's basically how you use Uber app, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.